Should you do repairs on your house before listing it for sale? The answer to this is absolutely. Now, the bigger question is, what repairs do you do? Most buyers today want a move-in ready home. So one of the best things you can do to prepare your house and figure out what it is you need to do and what you don't need to do is get a pre-inspection on your property. Now, if you decide, I don't want to do any repairs on my house, I want to sell it as is, that's okay too. Having that report card, look at it as full disclosure. The more that you can do to make this home feel like a home and not a project, the better chance you have of getting top dollar for your house. So that's my answer. Should you do repairs? Absolutely.